Debt. It's a heavy weight on your shoulders, holding you back from your dreams. It steals your peace of mind and keeps you stuck in a cycle of payments. But there's good news, you can break free. Paying off debt fast is crucial. It stops the bleeding of interest charges. It gives you back control of your money. Imagine the freedom of knowing you owe nothing to anyone. Living debt-free opens up a world of possibilities. You can save for a down payment on a house, invest in your future, and give generously to others. It's time to take charge and start your journey to financial peace. The debt snowball method is a powerful way to build momentum. It's simple. List your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Attack the smallest debt with everything you've got. Make minimum payments on all other debts, but throw every extra dollar at the smallest one. Once that first debt is gone, celebrate. You've achieved a victory. Now take the money you were paying on the first debt and add it to the payment of the next smallest debt. Keep rolling that snowball, gaining momentum as you go. Each paid off debt fuels your motivation and propels you closer to financial freedom. The debt avalanche method prioritizes logic and maximizes savings. List your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Focus your energy on the debt with the highest interest rate. Make minimum payments on all other debts, but throw everything you can at this one. Why? Because high interest debt is the most expensive. By tackling it first, you'll save money on interest charges in the long run. As each high interest debt disappears, you'll free up more money to attack the next one. This method is a strategic approach to minimize the cost of your debt. Balance transfer credit cards can be a useful tool, but proceed with caution. They can help you manage your debt more effectively, but only if used wisely. These cards offer a temporary 0% interest rate, allowing you to transfer high-interest debt and pay it down faster. This can be a great way to save on interest payments and reduce your overall debt burden. Before you jump in, understand the terms. It's crucial to read the fine print and know exactly what you're getting into. How long is the 0% interest period? This period can vary from card to card, typically ranging from 6 months to 21 months. Are there balance transfer fees? These fees can be a percentage of the amount transferred, often around 3% to 5%. What happens to the interest rate after the introductory period ends? It usually reverts to a much higher rate, which can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. Use balance transfers strategically. Make a plan to pay off the transferred balance before the 0% interest period expires. This requires discipline and careful budgeting. Avoid using the card for new purchases, which could lead to more debt. The goal is to reduce your debt, not add to it. Remember, balance transfers are a temporary solution. They can provide relief, but they are not a cure-all for financial issues. The key is to use them as a tool to accelerate your debt repayment, not prolong it. With careful planning and disciplined spending, balance transfer credit cards can help you achieve financial freedom faster. Section 5. Unleash the power of side hustles. Fuel your debt-free journey. Want to supercharge your debt repayment? Consider a side hustle. Extra income is a game changer when it comes to paying off debt faster. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Brainstorm ways to monetize your skills and passions. There are countless possibilities in today's gig economy. Drive for a ride-sharing service, deliver food, freelance your skills, sell handmade goods online, or offer pet-sitting services. The options are endless. The beauty of a side hustle is that the income is dedicated to your debt. Every dollar you earn is a dollar closer to financial freedom. Section 6. Mindset shift. Cultivating discipline and determination. Paying off debt is as much a mental game as it is a financial one. It requires discipline, commitment, and a willingness to make sacrifices. Embrace a positive mindset. Focus on the end goal. Financial freedom. Visualize yourself debt-free, enjoying the peace of mind and opportunities that come with it. Stay motivated by tracking your progress. Celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, every payment you make is a step in the right direction. Don't be afraid to seek support. Talk to a financial advisor, join a debt-free community, or confide in a trusted friend or family member. You've got this. Section 7. Crafting your debt-crushing budget, track, trim and triumph. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. It's not just about numbers. It's about creating a plan that aligns with your financial goals and dreams. It allows you to track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate more money towards debt repayment. By understanding where every dollar goes, you can make informed decisions that bring you closer to financial stability. Start by tracking your spending for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your financial habits and help you identify patterns. Where does your money go? Break down your expenses into categories like groceries, utilities, entertainment, and dining out. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Are there areas where you tend to overspend? Recognizing these habits is the first step towards change. Look for areas to trim. Small adjustments can make a big difference over time. Can you reduce your grocery bill? Consider buying in bulk, using coupons, or choosing store brands. Cut back on entertainment expenses. Maybe you can limit dining out or cancel unused subscriptions. Negotiate lower rates on your insurance premiums. Sometimes a simple phone call can save you a significant amount of money. Small changes can add up to big savings. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can go towards paying off your debt. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, create a realistic budget that prioritizes debt repayment. Make sure your budget is flexible enough to accommodate unexpected expenses. Allocate as much money as possible towards your debt while still covering your essential expenses. Remember, the goal is to reduce your debt burden and move towards financial freedom. Stay committed, and you will see progress over time. Section 8. Negotiate with your creditors. Lower rates, better terms. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors. You might be surprised at their willingness to work with you, especially if you're struggling to make payments. Call your credit card companies and ask for a lower interest rate. Explain your situation and emphasize your commitment to repaying your debt. If you have student loans, explore income-driven repayment plans or deferment options if you're facing temporary financial hardship. Negotiating with creditors can potentially lower your monthly payments, reduce the total amount of interest you pay, and make your debt more manageable. Section 9. Seek professional guidance. Navigating the path to financial freedom. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice and support tailored to your specific situation. A financial advisor can help you create a comprehensive debt management plan, explore different debt repayment strategies, and stay accountable to your goals. They can also provide valuable insights on budgeting, saving, investing, and other aspects of personal finance, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Remember, you don't have to navigate the path to financial freedom alone. Seeking professional help can provide the guidance and support you need to succeed. Section 10. Celebrate milestones, embrace the journey. You've got this. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires endurance, patience, and a steady pace. Just like a marathon runner, you need to keep your eyes on the finish line and take it one step at a time. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. It's normal to feel overwhelmed or frustrated at times. Financial hurdles can seem daunting, but they are not insurmountable. But remember to celebrate your milestones and embrace the journey. Each small victory is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Marking these moments can provide the motivation you need to keep going. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Each payment you make, each debt you reduce, is a significant achievement. These small steps add up over time and bring you closer to financial freedom. Each payment you make is a step closer to financial freedom. It's important to recognize the impact of these actions. They are the building blocks of your financial future. Each debt you conquer is a reason to celebrate. Reaching a zero balance on a debt is a monumental achievement. It signifies your progress and your commitment to a debt-free life. Don't be afraid to reward yourself along the way, within reason, of course. Small rewards can provide a much-needed boost and help you stay motivated. Treat yourself to something modest to celebrate your progress. Small rewards can help you stay motivated and maintain a positive outlook. Remember, you've got this. These little celebrations can keep your spirits high and remind you of the progress you've made. With determination, discipline, and the right strategies, you can break free from debt and achieve your financial goals. Stay focused, stay committed, and keep pushing forward. Your financial freedom is within reach.